All right, guys, let's talk about exposure now. I wanted to show you um, what you can do to a photo that's been poorly exposed. Here's an image that is obviously a little bit dark, but just you can do this on your phone, and I'm going to show you on the computer just because it's easier, but I can also get it on my phone and show you there if you like. But here, what I did was I straightened the image out, and then I've also just raised the shadows a little bit. And you can see what I've done here. Let me start over from scratch. Okay. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to use my um, transform tool here. So on your camera phones, you have this ability to do this. So I'm just going to break it down in terms of the number of steps that you're going to go through. One is you're going to go for the vertical. So first thing first, we're going to rotate it till it's square. Okay. Second thing I'm going to do is if that's enough, then that's enough, and it looks to me like it's enough. And I'm going to crop it so that I get rid of distractions. So things on the edge tend to be distracting unless it's something that you want to show, in which case this need to be reshot so we can show more of it. Okay, there you go. So all I did was give it a little rotation, and that's all it needed in order to appear straight again. And now what we have to do is we have to fix the shadow problem. So on your application, you'll look for a slider for the shadow, and you're going to just slide that up. And again, I'll show you this on the phone. Okay. There you go. And so now you have a shot where the highlights, or sorry, the shadows have been recovered. The color may be a little bit too warm. So if you, I'll show you that on your phone as well. But the white balance or the color temperature, you can change. Okay. And now I'm exposing for the warmth because now I see that I have two colors coming in. One is the blue of the sky, and the second is the warmth of the tungsten light. So now that I've balanced it for more of the tungsten light, what I want to do is I'm just going to go and get rid of the blue. And this is only something that I can do in Lightroom like this. Okay. You can do it in Photoshop too, but all right, there you go. And then the other thing that I can see right now is that the blacks, because I've brought the entirety of the shadows up, the where it should be black feels gray. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little bit of dehaze, and that's just going to darken my shadows down. Okay. And it's starting to look a little bit purple. Take some of that out too. Okay. Um, all right. So maybe I'll brighten the exposure a tiny bit, and what I really want to do is darken this side because I want to brighten this side. So I'm not going to get any more into it than this. This looks just fine for an image. You can use this image as is, and it's much better than this one. There it is again. Okay, so that's just a little example of what exposure can do.